Hey, it's me, Arlene. Guess where I am right now? I am in one of my favorite stores ever. This Dollarama by TNT on Calgary Trail is one of the best Dollarama I've ever seen. Hey, look at that. Ang laki-laking Dollarama, lots of stuff. And did you notice that Dollarama had been very competitive lately? Ang dami ng magagandang items nila. Quality, of course, less than the usual stores, but then they are actually very competitive. Especially sa mga items that you will just use once. Okay? So, whenever you think about buying something, that doesn't have to be too much quality, like parties and stuff, you can check and visit Dollarama first rather than paying too much stuff, Mamshis, because you know everything now is so expensive and we have to get the best out of our back, right? So mahirap kumita ng pera, kaya kailangan maging maingat din sa paggastos natin, no? Lalo na sa mga hindi naman mga bagay na that will last us forever, you know what I mean, diba? Ang daming mga pwedeng bilhin sa Dollarama lang, no? Ganda. Tsaka yung mga sa office supplies, anything. Ito kasi ang haba-haba, oh, diba? You can see that aisle. Ang haba, kaya ang dami niyang items. And I noticed, even during the pandemic, may mga stores that they did not survive the challenge of the pandemic. Nagsara sila. Mayroon ng Tim Hortons na alam ko na nagsara because of the pandemic. But then, napansin nyo, yung mga Dollarama naman, even during the pandemic, sila talaga yung nag-succeed, no? They're very competitive. And even sa North, actually, sa Yellowknife and Whitehorse, they finally opened theirs even right after or during the pandemic. Tignan nyo, haba kaya. Ang haba ng mga aisles. So, kaya, no wonder, ang dami mong pwedeng mabili dito. Pero, syempre, ingat-ingat din. Ingat-ingat kasi, yes, they're not that expensive and they're actually, yeah, much better quality than Dollarama years back. No, hindi sila cheap looking and everything. But, ingat din kasi it adds up. Kahit na mura lang, napabili ka ng husto na hindi mo naman kailangan, di ba? Hindi mo naman pala siya kailangan. Before you know it, parang hindi ka naman nagtipid, nagdalarama ka pa, tapos ang dami mo naman palang binili, di ba? So, let's all be wise, Mamshi, so we can have, we can maximize yung mga pinagpaguran nating mga pera natin, no? And we can just use them, allot our money to something that will last a little bit better, or for something that can make our life more valuable, can be valuable sa life natin, magagamit natin, or pwedeng yung mga naipon, they can be allotted to something more important sa families natin, sa mga anak natin, o sa future natin, di ba? Ganyan lang. So, enjoy, think. Tulungan natin, magtulungan tayong mga husband and wives. Sino pa ba magtutulungan kung di tayo, di ba? And we have to educate our kids too, okay? It's really easier said than done. You know what I mean? Easier said than done. I'm not perfect. I have lots of weaknesses too when it comes to budgeting and stuff. But then, if we will all help each other and maybe give me some tips too on how you do your shopping and budgeting, and then the world will be a better place. So, yan. Yan na muna tayo. God bless you. Happy weekend. Cheers. Bye.